Hi guys, I'm back with the vegetable soup recipe. This recipe is packed full of vegetables and very nutritious. It's really easy to make, there's no blending. Once you've done your veg prep, you just got to get it into the pan. Now here's the ingredients. You can swap any of those with your favourite vegetables, but this is how I'm going to make it today if you want to follow along.
You'll need a knob of butter, an onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, 300 grams of mixed root vegetables. I'm using carrots, celery and Swede, 800 mils of vegetable stock, a tin of Borlotti beans washed and drained, 300 grams of mixed vegetables. I'm using broccoli, leek and Savoy cabbage, and 500 mils of tomato passata. Start by melting the butter in a large saucepan. Add the onion and cook for 5 minutes on a low heat until it's soft. Add the garlic and then cook for a further minute. Now add the Swede, carrot, celery, stock and passata. Bring to the boil, then reduce the heat. Cover the pan and simmer for 15 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Add the Borlotti beans and give it a stir. Then add the leeks, the broccoli and the cabbage. And cook for another 5 minutes or again until the vegetables are tender. Add salt and pepper to taste and serve into bowls when you're ready.
And there you have it, your vegetable soup, packed full of vegetables, packed full of nutrition and delicious. Enjoy!